I have enough of talking anyway. I'm just going to do that commentary video like on anyway. I got I sent my first present to mother-in-law. This one up. Wow. I'm probably going to save up my gingerbread for like I don't know for the golden egg or something. I don't know. And oh yeah, I feel like I have enough honey to buy the egg. No 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 no. No. I remember everything being pricey. And after I get enough for it, I buy it and bring my coin. I'm just going to. But anyway, there's no like rules. I cannot use my main to throw everything in here because I want to experience like noob again. Like being a noob. Ding 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 ding. You know, I usually find like sticker very easily. I'm going to find out. But I don't see any stickers. So this is probably going to be hard. This is probably going to be hard. Hold on. Let me get it. I also have no idea on how to you my heart is being broken. Huh. I got one gingerbread. Dang it, why is my first B um is hasty? Why can't it be like I don't know like needs to be or something? Come on. Let's go. Oh shit, come on. Okay, maybe I actually need a new bag. And boom, let's go over that. Money worth. Yada. Well, might as well do my business summer boom. Uh um. I just realized I don't need like this thing, so I'm just probably going to I'm just probably going spend 10 of it on my SD for little boost. Yo, let's go for monster ride. Yo, let's go. Hey, look, I just realized. Let's go. And boom, let's go. Finally. Alright, let's see our very Sigma prices. Wow, 5,000? Honey? Hold on. Yeah. Seems very complicated to me. Oh, let's see. Okay, I just need to collect some of this. Oh, I just realized blue for a reason entirely blue. This is scam. I just realized I can get honey from one of these golf balls, so probably it's probably the best idea for me do to farm that thingy until I get vacuum. Even though the thing that I need the most is back. Yes, back. And boom, let's go. I feel like I need to end this video right here. Oh shit. I'm dead. Wait, hold on, hold on, hold on. I can open it. This is my time. Boom. And let's just buy our second beat. Wow. Yes, please. That beat's awful. Well, I guess. Bye.